When you log into Lifecycle Insights, you'll now see projects in the left-hand navigation bar. As I click there, I'm shown a list of projects I have created for this customer. You can click into an individual project to see the details, the name, start and end date, a description. And there are different statuses that we'll use for the budget forecast. You will be able to filter that reporting based on status. For example, you might not want to include projects that are in the complete category when printing the budget. There's a priority field that will be used for searching. And below, there are a few buckets where you can associate costs to a project. We allow you to break it out with labor costs, new material costs, and replacement costs for existing assets. But let's go create a new project. So I'm going to return to the project main page. To create a new one, we will click the button at the top. You can select a start and end date, which populates the table below, and add a description. If your project consists of just new materials and/or labor, you can simply enter them into the fields. However, if the project includes replacing assets, we want to link directly to those assets. Since we have the data around your assets, you can click the Linked Assets button and search for the devices. We provide the same filtering that we do in the asset list. Say you are looking for your Windows 7 devices, just type it in through the filter search and all of the devices will appear. Then you can go and add the devices you want to include in the project replacement. This then automatically associates the assets with this project. You can easily manipulate the replacement months for the assets, and you select the service labor costs of the replacement. Note at the top of the box, you get the total cost of the project, and hovering over the information icon will give you the quarterly costs. Be sure to save your project. At this point, you've completed the project, and we want to ensure that they are included in the budget forecast. So once you enter the budget forecast section, you will have all of your typical reporting options, and we've added projects. As we mentioned, you have the ability to include certain statuses, planned, in progress, on hold. Once you close from the selections, you can go to the month and click on the detail and see how the projects are broken up. You can use this feature to include projects in your forecast or simply print a budget forecast for a specific project. Happy life cycling.